This is the key to making sure you take full advantage of your credit card cashback rewards. Hello and welcome to Practical Personal Finance. My name is Andrew Scheer, and this is where I give you the information you need to understand and succeed with money. I've got good news and bad news. I'll give you the bad news first. You've probably been wasting some of your credit card cashback rewards. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to show you the error of your ways and help you get back on the right track. But before I do that, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button too. You never know, you might just learn something new about money. I got an email last week from Capital One. They said they had some great news for me. I could now use my cashback rewards to pay for purchases directly on Amazon.com. I've been using that functionality with my Discover card for a few years now, so it was cool to hear that Capital One would now offer the same perk. It's so nice to click the Pay with Cashback Rewards option at checkout on Amazon and see the price drop. It's like I'm getting a huge discount. But with Capital One now offering the service, I got to thinking, is this really the best way to spend my cashback rewards? And that's when I realized, it's not. Here's why. When you use your credit card to make a purchase, you're automatically getting 1, 2, or even as much as 5% cash back on that purchase. But what about if you're using your cashback rewards to make a purchase? How much cash back do you get then? Nothing. Did a light bulb just go off in your head? Because this was the aha moment for me. I'd be better off just making the purchase on my credit card, getting the cash back, and then using my rewards points toward my monthly statement. Let's look at an example. Let's say I want to buy a couple of new tabletop games. I can never have too many of those. I add the games to my cart on Amazon and the total is $100. When I go to checkout, I have two options. Pay with my cashback rewards balance of $100 or pay with my credit card like I normally would. If I pay with my cashback rewards balance, I get no rewards for this purchase and my cashback rewards balance is now $0. If I pay with my credit card, I get 2% cash back on this purchase. 2% of $100 is $2. My rewards balance is now $102. I use the rewards balance to put $100 toward my next statement, paying for my new games. And now my rewards balance is $2. If you want to get even more bang for your cashback bucks, look into whether your credit card company allows you to redeem them for discounted gift cards. In many cases, you can score a 10% discount if you spend your cashback rewards this way. If you know you'll be shopping at a store that's on the list, you can stretch your cashback dollars even further. Just redeem your cashback rewards balance for a gift card, and then use that gift card to make your purchase. Sure, you'll miss out on the new cashback rewards by the same logic I used earlier, but this time around, you're getting a 10% discount for doing so, which knocks the socks off the 1 or 2% cashback rewards you'd get otherwise. What's your favorite cashback rewards credit card? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and consider supporting my channel by becoming a subscriber with notifications turned on. Thanks for watching. I'm Andrew Scheer, and I'll see you next time.